RedShark's NAB 2025 coverage is brought to you by...
Hi, this is Dan Maloney. We're at NAB 2025 at the Matrox booth. Got a whole bunch of technology that we're showcasing today. The first set of technologies are Convert IP lineup of IPMX and 2110 transmitters, receivers, converters. We introduced these a few years ago, and we've got some new features that we're showcasing today. First and foremost, a new form factor. This is the Intel SDM form factor of the device that fits directly in the back of the monitors that you would put in this case, Panasonic monitors that we're having here. So the same functionality of all of our standalone devices, but in the convenience of a SDM form factor. So your monitors can be, in rental markets, can be shipped pre-configured, ready to be wired up on the floor. Now our Convert IPs also have a universal feature which we're adding called the multi-view feature, so quad split multi-view. You can configure these as single 4K receivers or quad split, so 4 different HD channels can be used and displayed on a single HD 4K or 4K monitor. Again, very convenient, reduces the cost, overall cost if you want to monitor your 2110 signals on a network. We have a number of IP technologies on the show floor, including SRT-based encoders. We have our IPMX encoders. What we're seeing is that there's a lot of interest in just moving IP, keeping video over IP content on the network, not bringing it from baseband to the network if unnecessary. So we're introducing a brand new IP video gateway product. The Matrox Vion devices. These are network native devices where we can take one video format, let's say SRT, and convert it to another video format, such as IPMX. We've added NDI to the product so that we can take NDI content and now convert it to and from, again, SRT or IPMX. Great to bridge islands of production. If I wanted to bridge local and cloud-based workflows, a device like this would be invaluable. So again, we support IPMX, 2110, we support SRT, NDI, as well as some more traditional RTSP and MPEG-2TS transport formats. IP Video Bridge. We've been showcasing our Monarch Edge REMI encoders and decoders for a number of years now, and we're, again, continuing improving it, adding contribution workflows to the device. Excellent latency, 422 10-bit encoding, decoding, tally talkback, separate channels for, again, ideal for REMI productions. But contribution productions, we can have ancillary data transport, SCSI insertions, HDR transport as well. Again, an ideal product for both contribution and REMI productions. And last but not least, all of our devices that are 2110 and IPMX enabled are NMOS devices. So we have an NMOS routing solution. So not only Convert IP or Matrox-based solution, any NMOS enabled device can be discovered using the Conduct IP NMOS routing solution. So we're really adding a lot of features in this routing solution, making it an ideal for labs, smaller infrastructures, enterprise, live events that need to discover a number of sources and transmitters and easily visualize them and create routes with the touch of a button.
Hi, my name is Carolyn Injoyan. I'm a business development manager at Matrox. This is the world's first IPKVM that's based on open standards. It supports ST2110, IPMX, and it's also NMOS aware. What this means, we're going to simplify workflows so a KVM can send and receive signals from other 2110 and IPMX devices. So streamlining implementation, reducing complexity, and effectively reducing cost. Avio 2 is a high-performance KVM. It can do uncompressed 4K 60/444. We also have 2 very good codec options, JPEG XS or a Pro AV codec that run either on a 1 gig or 10 gig network. It's a very easy-to-use product. We have a web UI for configuration. And of course, on the receiver side, you have an on-screen display for source selection and fast and easy switching.
So I encourage you to come to matrox.com/video to learn about all these products. Thank you very much.